Hi guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a quick, easy Dollar Tree Halloween DIY for you today. We're going to use one of their little windows. I actually found one that was black, so that's going to be perfect. I'm going to use that and some of their little wooden ghost charms to make a really cute little haunted window DIY. I'm going to cover up just the area that had writing on it, but leaving that plaque on there. I kind of want a blank canvas. And then I want to use two of the little wooden ghosts. I just filled in the holes, since they are ornaments in them, with a little bit of spackle and painted them a bright white color, also painting that little front sign on the window white. If you can only find this window in wood or different colors, you could always paint it black to get that haunted effect. Now I just wanted a piece of burlap, so I'm using some of the burlap roll that I got at the Dollar Tree, but it's a little bit too big. So what I'm going to do is just kind of pull a strand on that, and it gives you a perfect little path to use your scissors to cut it down to size. I just wanted a piece of burlap big enough to cover this. My theme on these were like kind of a neutral Halloween, lots of black and white and burlap textures. Now for the letters themselves, these are also from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. They're the little galvanized metal letters. I'm going to have it spell out, "Hey, boo." I thought that would be really cute. And I am just going to attach those to the burlap on the sign there with a little bit of hot glue. Now, I want this window to look haunted for Halloween, of course. So I liked the fact that it was black. It automatically made me think Halloween. And then we need some little ghost, of course, to make it haunted. I'm simply going to hot glue those kind of, in the air, going a little bit to the side to make it look like they're floating around. This is how it turned out. It was so easy.